Alright, good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Excuse the lighting and everything, a little bit of a different setup today. Today we're going to be unboxing a iBook G4. I believe this one is the 12-inch that I bought. Bought it on eBay for like $25. We're going to check this out, might do a little restoration on it depending on the condition, fix it up, and then it's probably going to be resold. I'm thinking about fixing up and reselling some old Macs because they are worth these like 75 to 100 bucks, so you know, I paid 25 bucks for it. If I can make $20 or $30 on it and give you guys a cool video, then it is worth it. So let me get my knife real quick and then we will cut into this box and see how it is. This is untested, so I don't know if it works or not. I don't know what's wrong with it, and I really don't know what kind of condition it is in other than the pictures on eBay. Also, this came from Florida, so yeah. If you guys know anything about Florida and the Rona, then you'll know why I said that. This isn't my address, so if you guys can see that, it doesn't matter to me. That is from previous use of this box, apparently. Only thing it didn't come with is a power adapter, but I do have a PowerBook G4 power adapter already because I have a PowerBook G4. That I purchased on eBay a while ago as well. Mine is a little beat up though. Save that box in case I need to, you know, if I sell it I need to ship it. That box has been used about 4 times, it looks like. Get the knife again. Get you guys in there. I need to find a way to get my lights over here. This tripod takes up way too much room. Pull it out. Looks like the padding on the feet is removed, so that's usually a sign that it's been opened. Battery right here doesn't appear to be charged. The bottom of it's kind of scratched up and stuff like that. This might be a little bit bigger. This is definitely bigger than the one I have. Yeah, you can tell she's been pried on and probably been opened before. Right here at the hinge, when you open it up, first thing I notice is this kind of pulls away from the screen. Keyboard appears to be all there. There's like a piece of something in there. Just get rid of that. Keyboard appears to be all there. We've got an Airport Extreme card in there as well, right there. So that is a good sign, I guess. But you know, let's get right to the show. I've got my plug right here. We're gonna plug it in. It did turn green. I don't know if there's a hard drive in here. It feels like there is. It's pretty heavy. Let's just check and see if the battery does show that it is charging, so that's a good sign. It may have just been dead. I don't know if it's the original battery or not, but we're going to go ahead and hit the power button and see what happens. Alright, so we get some fan noise. The power adapter is like flickering between green and orange. Nothing coming up on the screen, just fan noise. This is the 14-inch, by the way, for sure. So just some fan noise, nothing else. Let's see. Let's check and see if we have any RAM in here. pull the airport card out for a second. That's just snapped on, I believe. Alright, we're going to set that aside for a second because it doesn't want to come out. Be right back. I'm going to have to go get my iFixit tools from downstairs real quick and we'll pull that apart. Alright, iFixit toolkit acquired. Normally full fan like that without anything happening is going to be your RAM on these. If we had a bad hard drive or something like that, most of the time for those you'll get a flashing question mark and the screen and everything will turn on. But the RAM is, as you can see in that picture, right under this cover. Ooh, she's original too. If I can get, this would come out. Alright, anyway, we're just going to pop that out. Let's see if we get anything different. Alright, so we get the same thing. I'm just going to put this back in and try to see if maybe it was just loose or something like that, but the RAM may actually be bad. Alright, so same thing. Let me get my other one, get the RAM out of that one. Pretty sure it's the same. This one does work, so it also doesn't have an airport card. It does have Wi-Fi, but the airport card is not on the top right here. Hope you guys can see everything I'm doing on this one. Just keep those screws with that one. Alright, this says Dell memory in it, so that's good, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I put that in there. But anyway, put this one off to the side. Do the old swapperoo. Come on. You're just out. Should be the same. Pop that in. Let's try to start her up now. Hopefully this works, because well, that is not good. Alright, let me do some checking on the old interwebs and we'll come back and I can see if I can find anything. Alright, so from what I looked up online, it looks like these have a common issue with a bad solder joint on the board. I tried different RAM, I tried removing the keyboard, tried, you know, the basic stuff basically, and that did not do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and take it apart, see if I see anything obvious on the inside. If not, I'm going to end this video here, and I might do a follow-up part 2. I might tinker with it a little bit, see if we can get it going. I need to figure out exactly what solder joint goes bad on these and maybe see if I can try and repair that. If not, I might take some parts off this one. I don't know if the battery's good or not. I might let it charge, since it does appear to charge and stuff like that. I might let that charge, and that can be a part. Keyboard seems to be in pretty good condition. Everything else is kind of beat up though. The sides have been cracked. You can tell it's definitely been open before. The points where you pry at it on here to get the clips off have been all pried on and stuff like that. So this may be a parts machine for the next one to come, or I might sell some of the parts to recoup, some of that $25-$30 that I paid for it, and then save some of the other parts that are a little bit beat up that may still work. I might be able to get another machine going, like the screen, and that kind of stuff. The LCD does it looks like it makes a slight attempt to turn on right before the fans ramp up, so I don't know if the LCD is good or not, but maybe I can get another 14-inch, test that, and if it is good, I'll sell the screen for parts or anything like that. If you have an iBook G4 and you need parts, let me know, and I am definitely willing to get something off this for you. But let me take it apart and see if I see anything obvious, and we'll go from there. Alright, so good news and bad news. I found the problem. Bad news is it's not working again. So what the issue is there is a bad solder joint, as I suspect after looking online. Just push that stuff into the screen, it's no big deal. Right here, that chip right there, focus, that teeny tiny little chip right there has a bad solder joint on it somewhere. So I heated it up and it worked for a little bit. I was actually able to turn it on without the hard drive in, and I got the flashing question mark. I put the hard drive in, I got the Apple logo, the boot screen and everything, and then after that it actually went to just a blank screen, but the screen was still on, and kind of just stopped there. So I unplugged it, plugged it back in, tried it again, and that's when the screen didn't turn on and the fan went back to full speed and nothing happened. So I'm going to pull out my microscope. I'm not going to do this today. Try to resolder that. First time doing anything like that, we'll see how it goes, but this chip right here is definitely the problem. It looks like it's just a bad solder joint, so hopefully I can repair that and bring this thing back to life, which will be pretty cool. As you can see, I took the whole thing apart, so got to put it all back together. I'm not going to do that right now, obviously. I'm going to fix that first. But hopefully maybe Saturday I will work on that some, and we'll see if we can get it back together and bring it back to life. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.